Hi, it's Alex here, and in this video I'm going to show you which credit card company has the highest credit limits among several of my favorite cards. Credit cards are perfect for paying off debts at minimum monthly payments, but not everyone can qualify for one, so it's important to know which ones will give you the best offer. There is a bit of mystery surrounding credit card limits to begin with. Yes, every time you apply for a card, they'll ask you for your income and they'll put your credit report. And they will use that information to assign you a credit limit ranging from $500 to $50,000. But why? What's the point? Why did that limit get set at $5,000 instead of $4,900 or $8,000? Let's talk. If you are new here, you'll find answers about credit cards, saving money, and growing your income. So watch till the end and let's get straight to the point. An individual's credit limit refers to how much you can spend with a credit card or line of credit. A high credit limit can improve your credit score and let you spend more, leading to overspending and a ton of debt. The best choice in terms of credit limits for those seeking higher credit limits is premium rewards cards and business credit cards, which may be able to offer bigger credit limits depending on your company's spending pattern. Generally, any credit card with plenty of benefits will also likely have a high credit limit. Of course, you can choose cards with brands such as Visa, Infinite, Mastercard World Elite, or cards with no spending limits. Let's start with Chase. Chase credit card limits can range from $500 to $15,000 plus based on your overall credit worthiness and the card you choose. Chase Sapphire Reserve has a minimum credit limit of $10,000, the highest starting limit of all Chase credit cards. Chase Freedom Flex has the lowest credit limit in the Chase family at $500. Now, depending on the card, Chase will approve you for either a signature or a platinum account. Applicants with lower credit scores will be approved for a platinum account regardless of their credit score. Platinum accounts have lower starting limits than signature accounts. The credit limits for signature accounts should be at least $5,000 for all accounts approved. Several credit card holders have reported their credit card limits exceeding $100,000. Well, despite this, the terms of even the highest limit credit cards will only state the minimum spending limit, and the highest in this regard is around $10,000. It takes significant assets and income, little debt, and excellent credit to get $100,000 plus in spending power. The credit limit on Visa Signature or Visa Infinite is typically $5,000 or higher. As an example from the Chase family, the Chase Sapphire Reserve is a Visa Infinite card. The Sapphire Reserve card's credit limits are not published on Chase website, but travel cards generally have higher credit limits. On websites such as MyFICO Firms, Sapphire Reserve card holders reported credit limits of up to $80,000. These cards offer impressive features, and comments on Quora indicate that there is a possibility of getting a credit limit of even $500,000. On top of that, they offer outstanding value by themselves. Chase Sapphire Preferred offers $50 annual Ultimate Rewards hotel credit, 5 points on travel purchase through Chase Ultimate Rewards, 3 points on dining, 2 points on all other travel purchases, 5 points on Lyft rides through March 2022, and 1 point on all other purchases. Chase Sapphire Reserve offers 5 total points on air travel and 10 total points on hotels and car rentals when you purchase travel through Chase Ultimate Rewards immediately after the first $300 is spent on travel purchases annually. Additionally, earn 3 points on other travel and dining plus 1 point per $1 spent on all other purchases. On top of that, 10 points on Lyft rides through March 2022. Chase Sapphire Preferred Card and Chase Sapphire Reserve top the list of the highest credit limits among cards, although they charge annual fees in the mid-triple digits and high double digits respectively. While it is important to always make payments on time to get the best credit card limits possible in your situation, using 30% or less of your available credit, paying down your debts, and saving are all great ways to get the highest credit card limits possible. Moving on, let's analyze Citi. Now, it is one of the 4 largest banks in the country and one of the largest issuer of credit cards in general. Citibank offers various credit cards, including cashback cards, low introductory rates, cards that provide Citi Thank You reward points, and cards that offer points or miles to its partners. Depending on the card, Citibank credit cards have limits that range between $500 and $5,000. Citi Diamond Preferred Card and Citi Double Cash Card both have a $500 minimum credit limit. In contrast, the Citi and AAdvantage Executive World Elite Mastercard have a minimum credit limit of $5,000. Neither Citibank nor its subsidiaries publicly disclose maximum credit limits. Until you are approved for a Citibank credit card, you will not know your actual credit limit. It depends on how well your credit stands, your income, and your debt. You may choose not to open the account if your desired credit limit is not available. When you have made several on-time payments in a row, you can always request a credit limit increase after accepting the limit that's offered. Among various cards, Citi Double Cash Card came up in multiple forums with information people able to get limits closer to $10,000 or even $40,000 or higher after credit limit increases. Well, on top of that, Citi Double Cash Card members earn 2% cashback on all purchases, 1% when they use the card, and 1% when they pay their bills, regardless of their credit limit. The card also has a $0 annual fee, but no welcome bonus. Another issuer that we are going to analyze today is Capital One. Capital One credit cards do not all have the same starting credit limit, though some Capital One credit cards do. According to Cabela's and Bass Pro Shops, the minimum credit limits for both their cards are $300. In contrast, Capital One Venture Rewards, Capital One Venture One, and Capital One Quicksilver Cash Rewards credit card do not state minimum credit limits in their terms and conditions. Despite that, it is essential to remember that your income and overall credit rating ultimately determine all Capital One credit limits, and it is impossible to predict someone's limit without first knowing those factors. Now, several Capital One credit cards have some degree of predictability in terms of credit limit. However, your credit history and income still play a role in these cards. Capital One Platinum offers a credit limit of at least $300. Capital One Secured generally offers a limit equal to your security deposit. It's important to understand that it's partially secured, so your deposit could be as low as $49 while your spending limit starts at $200. On the other hand, Capital One Quicksilver Rewards allows you to increase your available credit line if you have below average credit. Capital One does not offer a high credit limit right away, but after 6 months of on-time payments, you'll be considered for a higher credit limit. On MyFICO forums, Capital One cardholders report that keeping your balance low on each month and paying it on full each month as well is the best way to increase your credit limit. After the second or third billing statement, cardholders may receive a $100 increase. In addition to applying for one of Capital One cards, once you have a good score, you may wish to apply for another card like Chase Freedom Unlimited. Travel costs can be reduced by using credit cards that offer rewards in the form of air miles. Increasing costs create an opportunity for consumers to save money with air miles. With a high credit limit on air miles card, you will have the flexibility to take longer or more expensive vacations without having to worry about the costs involved. As the highest credit limit among cards available with Air Miles rewards, the Capital One Venture Rewards credit card deserves attention. With an average credit score of 725 and an average credit line of about $10,000, the card is available to consumers with fair credit or even better. Once you spend $3,000 on purchases within 3 months from account opening, you will receive 60,000 bonus miles, which is equal to approximately $600 in travel. On every purchase, you will earn 2 miles. There is no limit to how many miles you can earn, and they will not expire throughout the life of your account. Amex is one of the stars of the credit card world. You can find out how much credit card is available through American Express. If you are approved for an Amex account, you will learn your credit limit. Contrary to some other major credit card issuers, American Express does not state a minimum credit limit on the terms of their cards. According to Amex, your credit limit depends on your credit history, debt level, income, and repayment history with other American Express credit cards. The best way to estimate what credit limit you might get from an American Express card is by reading customers' reviews. It is common to see people post the credit card limit they received, sometimes along with their income and credit rating. Most people report getting an Amex card with a limit of $1,000 to $5,000 if they have good credit. Any of these numbers, however, should be treated with caution. There is no guarantee that you'll be getting the same limit just because someone with a similar score or income did. Some people believe that Amex cards have no credit limits as well, so they can charge as much as they want on their cards every month. On the other hand, the Amex cards often not issue a preset credit limit when you obtain your card. There is no preset limit, but that doesn't mean that there is no limit at all, and that is where a lot of people get confused. The amount Amex will allow you to spend will be based on a variety of factors such as your spending patterns, payment history, credit record, and income. Amex, for example, is unlikely to allow you to charge more than $30,000 in a single billing period if your income is, let's say, $60,000. Even though most of the cards that Amex offers come with a standard credit limit, it offers 3 cards that each come without a specific spending limit. The Platinum card, which is designed for frequent travelers who want premium benefits, is one of them. On top of earning 5 membership reward points for every dollar spent on direct bookings with airlines or through Amex Travel, the card gives you access to over 1,300 lounges worldwide on 6 lounge networks, which is the most for any travel reward cards. Furthermore, cardholders receive extra benefit like $200 airline incidental credit annually, trip delay insurance, purchase protection, Hilton Honors Gold and Marriott Bonvoy Gold Elite status, and access to Amex Fine Hotels and Resorts program. The second card is the Amex Gold. With this card, you can earn points for membership rewards at a steady rate. The card offers 4 points per $1 at restaurants, 4 points per $1 at supermarkets, up to $25,000 in purchase per year, 3 points per $1 booked directly with airlines or through Amex Travel. Aside from earning points, you will also receive excellent benefits such as $100 annual dining credit, no foreign exchange fees, and access to Amex Hotel Collection, baggage insurance, rental car insurance, and purchase protection. The third card is the Amex Green. Among the 3 Amex personal credit cards offered with no spending limits, this card has the lowest annual fee. It offers 3 points per $1 at restaurants on all eligible travel purchases and for transportation. Among other benefits, the Amex Green card offers a $100 credit toward Clear memberships, a $100 credit for lounge body purchases, a 12-month Uber Eats Pass subscription, trip delay insurance, baggage insurance, rental car insurance, and purchase protection as well. Now, having no preset spending limit is easy to confuse with having no limit, but any cardholder has some sort of variable limit, no matter how much they spend or how much money they earn. Unless you are behind on previous payments or make some large purchase out of nowhere, it's unlikely that you'll ever reach the point where Amex stops letting you make further purchases. It's a good thing that Amex cardholders have the spending power tool at their disposal to make sure they won't encounter any issues using no-limit cards. Finally, let's talk about Bank of America. Credit limits vary across Bank of America cards based on your credit worthiness. The Bank of America secured credit card have a minimum deposit of $300 and you can get an equal credit limit of $300 as well. Credit limits may be much higher for other Bank of America accounts. For example, the Bank of America Premium Rewards credit card offers approved applicants a $1,500 minimum credit limit. Many Bank of America cardholders with good or excellent credit have reported receiving higher credit limits on their Bank of America card and Bank of America Premium Rewards credit card. The credit limit you are granted depends on your credit worthiness and income, among other factors. In general, the better your credit score and the higher your income relative to your debt, the higher your credit limit at Bank of America. As your credit card balances accumulate, you find yourself making more than minimum payment each month. When you transfer your balances to a high-limit credit card, you can break the cycle by consolidating your debt. By using a balance transfer card with a high limit, you can concentrate your attention and money on paying off all your credit card debts. Now, one of the highest credit limits of balance transfer cards is the $95,000 credit limit offered by the Bank of America customized cash rewards credit card. Now, as mentioned previously, this is much higher than the competition and is probably not representative for nearly all cardholders. Still, this is an impressive credit card limit for one with no annual fee. The benefits of these cards are also impressive. Spend at least $1,000 in purchases within the first 90 days of your account opening to earn a $200 cash rewards bonus. On the first $2,500 of combined choice category grocery, store, wholesale club purchases each quarter, you'll earn 3% cashback in the category of your choice and 2% cashback at dining, travel, drugstores, or home improvement. After that, you'll earn unlimited 1% cashback on all other purchases. So, bottom line here, in our video, the Chase Sapphire Preferred card has the highest reported limit, which some claim offers a $100,000 limit. However, it's difficult to know exactly which credit card offers the highest credit limit, most issuers do not actually disclose their maximum credit limits at all. However, some charge cards might come with no preset spending limits, and some issuers might surpass that 100,000 limit without making it clear. The benefits and rewards offered by credit cards with high limits can vary widely. Some cards are also higher priced than others, but some people can benefit from the rewards they offer. Additionally, it's worth mentioning that certain credit cards tend to have more significant credit limits than others, so check the agreement to find out whether the credit limit is available. Visa Infinite cards, for instance, offer higher benefits and perks than other Visa credit cards, so approval requirements and credit limits are higher. Lenders set a credit limit based on how much borrowers can spend using their credit cards and as a way of limiting the risk to lend money. If you have a high credit limit, you will have the flexibility to use it when you need to spend, and it will probably help you maintain your credit score. The downside of a high limit credit card is your chance of becoming deeply in debt if you overspend. When you set a credit limit, make sure that you only spend 30% or less of your limit. However, don't set such a high limit that you can't handle debt if you ever reach it. The credit limit should be something that you avoid exceeding rather than something you aim to reach. With that being said, thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to let me know in the comments if you got any value from this video. It's 2021. Subscribe if you like, hit the notification bell if you aren't already, and I will see you soon.